Well, the Phillies had to make some roster moves today, Murph, because of the injury to Clay Buchholz.
Yeah, the injury to Clay Buchholz. And, oftentimes after a game like last night, the 20 hits and 14 runs, you also need a little bit of help in the bullpen. So they did have to make a couple of roster moves. They did that, announcing last night that Adam Morgan had been optioned down to the Lehigh Valley, so he has been sent down there. And Luis Garcia was announced today, recalled from the Lehigh Valley. Of course, Luis pitched well in spring training, one of the final players not to make the original 25-man roster, so he has come back. And then you also saw that Clay Buchholz, just about 45 minutes ago, the team announcing a partial tear of the right flexor pronator mass, which is certainly not good news. He is going to seek a second opinion with Dr. Andrews early next week, but that is probably more for what to do next, where the treatment goes from here. Likely we will not see Clay Buchholz for the remainder of this season. So